In this infographic, it's shown that how visco permanent lining moves the 900 degree centigrade isotherm out of the brick and extended campaign life from a few years to target of 20 to 25 years. Historically, shafts and the hearth failed into almost 12 years because the alkali and zinc vapor produce carbon deposit that swell the brick. The result was annular crack up to 300 millimeters and rapid spalling. The critical mechanism is the 900 to 1000 degree centigrade band. Chemical reactions at that temperature form K2O and ZNO plus amorphous carbon. That carbon expand and forces annular crack where the isotherm sits inside the brick. Visco's fix was engineering, thin lining, copper cooling staves, and microporous carbon block at about 20 watt per meter Kelvin. So that pushes the 900 degree centigrade line into the slag, keep the brick below 500 degree centigrade and prevent alkali attack. Field data from the BF number 5 and 7 shows the sustained production, falling coke rate and more than a decade without intermediate repair. So BF number 7 hot phase temperature confirmed the isotherm moved into the slag. Bottom line is the permanent lining concept protect the brick by design. 20 watt per meter Kelvin is the practical target to keep the 900 degree centigrade line out of the brick and reach a 20 to 25-year campaign.